Hey everyone, welcome to the LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing the No More Mistakes Manicure Cleanup Pen by the brand Sally Hansen. I featured this nail polish remover in my episode 184. The video is called 5 Ways to Remove Nail Polish. Please click the eye icon which is on the top right side corner to view this video. As this video progresses, there will be more such pop-ups. Do check them out for more information. This is the nail polish that I'm currently testing out. I always try on a nail polish for at least a month. This is the purple shade by the brand Teen Beauty. I will be uploading my review of this nail polish in the month of October 2020. About the brand. Sally Hansen launched in the year 1946 in America. It started with just 2 products and now they have award-winning products. Their products include nail color, nail care, sunless tanning, hair removal, and beauty tools. They are the #1 brand in America and also distribute to over 55 countries worldwide. The link to their official website is mentioned in the description box below. Check out this playlist of mine. It is a collection of all my nail polish removers that I have reviewed and will be reviewing. Where did I buy it from? I bought this nail polish remover from an online store called Nika. It is the third-party website and they ship all over India. Check the description box for the shopping link. Don't forget to check out all my nail art and nail care related videos. It is a must-watch for beginners. Product packaging. I'll first show you how the product is sold in the market. The pen comes packed in a soft cardboard packaging. This part was a bit weird. This opening here did not have any transparent seal. Won't the spare tips fall out from this gap? Size of the product. Cost and lifespan of the product. The 1.5 ml nail polish remover costs 899 rupees. It has a lifespan of 3 years from the date of manufacturing and it has to be used up in 24 months after it has been opened. Claims of the product. On the packaging it mentions flawless salon perfect manicure without smudges or smears. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2020. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. The ingredients. These are all the ingredients mentioned. How I use this product. After I finish applying my nail polish, I wait for a bit so that the nail polish hardens. Then I use this cleanup pen and go around just trying to replicate fine edges. I apply the same technique that I have explained in episode 181. That is how to clean up and remove any nail polish or nail art easily. As for holding this pen, it is the same way I would hold a pen for writing. And here I just write over all my nail polish mistakes. How to store this product. It is best to keep it away from direct sunlight. Personally, I store mine inside a cupboard. Different sizes that are available. I have seen them in only one size, which is the 1.5 ml. My experience with the product. Is this cosmetic a safe beauty? Since I'm not certified nor an expert, I rely on sources that provide me with answers. So I first hop over to the EWG website and check if this product has been tested by them. I found two products mentioned. It was the 2014 and 2016 formulation. And I don't know the formulation of this particular one. Even though the brand has mentioned its ingredients without its percentage, I still do not know if this is safe. Packaging. Not a big fan of this packaging, mainly because of the gap. The main product, which is the pen, is actually pretty good. Very comfortable to hold and can move around with ease. How does it dispense? It is a basic pen. Just pop the cap off and start using it. The fragrance of the cosmetic. Before I start this point, I just want to mention that I have fragrance allergy. I have not done a patch test yet, but I do keep getting affected sometimes when I come across something with fragrance. The nail polish remover has a strong acetone smell, but it does not linger for too long after application. Application. Unfortunately, this product did not perform so well. As you can see, the nail polish from the sides of my thumb is still visible a bit, and I was not able to achieve a clean cuticle gap that I usually like. Check out my video called How to Clean Up and Remove Any Nail Polish or Nail Art Easily. It is episode 181 to get a better understanding of what I am talking about. Consistency. Till now, the pen has not leaked any of the nail polish remover. But whenever I use the pen, the tip dries up pretty quickly. As you can see, I'm not even able to remove the nail polish from my pinky, which is the smallest size nail. I'm also very careful and do not perform any task anywhere near anything like a fan or an open window with strong breeze. Quality of the tip. The design of the tip is very convenient, almost like a marker pen. The tip is very sturdy and does not bend or lose its shape either. Travel friendly. It is very travel friendly as it is small in size and the pen is also not fragile nor does it leak. Other points. I love that it comes with 2 extra tips. And after every usage, the brand recommends that the tip be wiped off using a tissue. And the last tip I want to mention is to please close the cap properly to prevent the tip from drying up. Checking the claims by this brand. Pros and cons. It is a bit costly. It is very travel friendly. It comes in a sturdy plastic pen that is easy to use. It has a lifespan of 3 years from the date of manufacturing and it has to be used up in 24 months after it is opened. No logo is printed anywhere on the packaging. It is easily available for me. EWG has given the 2014 and 2016 formulation a 2 out of 10, but I don't know the formulation of this particular product, so I don't know if it is safe beauty. It is not fragrance free and the smell lingers for a while after application. My rating. I rate this product a 1. It loses points because I don't know if this product is safe or not, and also I prefer a product that is cruelty free. It also did not do a very good job in removing or even cleaning up my nail polish from the edges of my nail. Ease of usage, I'm going to give it a 3.5. Storage and maintenance gets a 4. Travel friendly is definitely a 5. Value for money, it's a 1. And the overall rating I'm going to give is a 1. Will I buy this product again? I prefer to use a nail polish remover that comes in a bottle. It is just a personal preference. I always need some nail polish remover to clean up my nails after my manicure. Again, I am talking about my episode 181. It has been difficult to achieve this with this manicure cleanup pen. Also, this product is basically a pen filled with nail polish remover, and I don't want to pay 899 rupees for a pen where the tip dries up even before I can remove my nail polish from my pinky finger. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!